Every year, about 1.65 million people visit the Guinness Storehouse. But is it really more than just a tourist trap?
The Guinness Storehouse was originally constructed between 1902 and 1904 as part of the fermentation process in the brewery, and was converted to a visitor center in the year 2000. The Storehouse Tour offers a variety of interactive and immersive exhibits, including ingredients and brewing process, historical and brand story, visual and multimedia exhibits, and finally, tasting and sensory elements. We hope you enjoy the tour.
At the Guinness Storehouse, pints aren't just poured, they're experienced.
This is meant to last for 9,000 years. This is a self-guided tour.
From the moment we stepped inside, all of our senses came alive. This is so much more than just a brewery tour. It's an immersive journey into the story of Guinness, crafted to be felt with all 5 senses. We also loved learning not only about the history of Guinness, but its future as well. What an unbelievably cool experience. But the best views of Dublin aren't found down here. They're waiting for us upstairs.
So as you saw, we just went through the growing process, the harvesting process, the brewing process, fermentation, and eventually the storage process in the barrels. Very cool experience. Definitely recommend this.
Oh, 100%. Yeah, it's really, really neat too that you can do this completely on your own. You don't need a guided tour, and we're still getting a ton out of this experience. It's awesome.
My name is Hannah and I'm going to be your guide for this part of the tour. This room
Tingles
is
the
called
nose.
White Room. Called our next one that's half white.
Got a little taste tester.
I'm so excited.
So we grab our taster here and we come to this room and get some official instruction.
So we have a rule in this room, and that is that you never sip a Guinness.
So that was a fun little experience. It takes about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, and we're on to the big boys later, the pints.
And now we know how to actually drink Guinness. Maybe we were doing it wrong before. I think Darren's been getting it right though with the big gulps.
The big gulps. You don't sip Guinness. You gulp Guinness. And that's why they sell so much. That's perfect marketing.
Really
Don't sip,
is.
gulp. Yeah, that's what they were explaining earlier. This atrium that we're in is shaped like a pint. It's the world's largest pint.
That is ingenious. Now this is some good advertising. finally reached the level where we get to go to the Guinness Academy and see which one of us can pour the perfect pint. The challenge is on. Who do you think can pour a perfect pint better, me or Darren?
45-degree angle, keep it close to the tap. That's the second step. Third step, and don't worry, a lot of steps to use. I'm gonna do this all once more again with an actual pint as well, okay? Third step, when you're pulling the tap, pull it fully down, okay? Now this is very important. If you put the tap only halfway down, like this for example, you're not gonna open up the nitrogen nozzles fully, and you're not gonna get the full flavor out of your beer. Get a bit of a murky pint is what I tell people, okay? Here, just tilt it slowly upward, and on there. And then as it reaches the top of the golden heart, stop the pour completely and leave it up on the bar there to settle, okay? Get their glass and literally shake it in numbers.
I think it's going to be close. We'll see what the professional thinks. He'll be our tiebreaker, I believe.
They look very similar.
They look very similar. I think we both did pretty good.
So if you want, you can have Guinness send you a certificate of completing the academy. Just give them their name and email.
We have to do that. I definitely want my certificate.
Okay, so what do you think? Who had a better pour? Nina's is on the left and mine's on the right.
And Team Darren? There. wait, no, this side. So drop in the comments below who had the better pour, who poured the perfect pint of Guinness.
And you know what I got to do at this point? Challenge. Can I split the G? 3 gulps.
Oh yeah, no, it's time. You got to do it here.
Oh, I was way short. Way short.
Next time.
Next time.
The good news is that this is not our only pint
And there's
here.
always a next time.
So maybe, I don't know, 15 minutes, we're gonna have another. You'll have another chance.
Yeah. I think you should try it.
Oh, it's
Do
questionable.
you think that you should try it? Give us a thumbs up.
We are headed for the best views of all of Dublin. We're going to the Gravity Bar to grab our pint and check out the 360 views of the city. This is insane. These views of Dublin are incredible.
Pint number 2.
So Darren's trying his second attempt here at the Guinness experience.
Feeling better now. I think you got to go for big gulps. So here we go.
Go big, babe.
Here's the goal. Right there. All right.
Go big. You got this. You got it. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Wait until the foam goes down.
Let it do too much.
He went big, all right.
I might have gone too far. We'll wait till the foam settles, then we'll make the final analysis here.
I'm gonna give it to you though. This is closer than the last one was. I'd rather you overshoot than undershoot.
Because if you undershoot, you'll never get there. But if you overshoot, you at least got there and went past it. So.
And beyond. What kind of stash am I?
No stash. She had the no stash.
So that's the connoisseur. That's basically no stash if you're the connoisseur.
You have to have some stash.
There's a little something.
There's nothing there.
There, I licked it off.
So the foam settled. I went too big. I'll keep trying.
He's gonna get it. He was so close on attempt number 3.
After our Guinness Storehouse experience, we can honestly say it is not a tourist trap. Would you add the Guinness Storehouse to your Dublin bucket list?